So in this video, we're going to test out this hourly pressure washer gun. This comes with different nozzles. One of the things I like about it, it comes with this pretty cool nozzle holding container here. It's got a little carabiner on it. You got the different nozzles, include like a soap nozzle. It's come with these other fittings, come with replacement gaskets there. And I've got one nozzle on here already. On this electric Flaunt pressure washer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the standard gun off of this one, and we're just going to see, does this one fit, and see how well it performs. So after I took the gun off of the pressure washer hose, this is what it looks like here. So we're going to see if this will fit on there. In that situation, it fit on there great. I didn't have to use any of these other fittings. It just fit right on there. So let's turn it on and see how well it works. Got the water on, I have no leaks here. You see the gun. I do like the nice comfortable handle here, and let's see how well it will clean this driveway. All right, did a great job. Now, a lot of that's going to depend on the power of your pressure washer. But in this situation, what I'm glad to see is it fit perfectly, no leaks. It has a nice, comfortable grip. It feels heavy-duty made. And so overall, very impressed with this. And again, it comes with all these different fittings and gaskets and replacement tips and things. But right out of the box fit, and that was the main thing I was looking for. Hope this video is helpful for you.